Okay, what else? All right, benchmarking. Non-moving items. Percentage of non-moving items. Yes, that's a good one. Yes. Any more, guys? I think we have space for a few more. We have space for a few more. Capacity utilization. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a really good one. Capacity utilization. Yeah, that's a good one. Number of, okay. Cash to cash cycle time. Cash to cash cycle time. Okay, you want to explain that to us? You can just have a short note. Cash to cash cycle time. Yeah. Let me see what else. I'm seeing some. How UAE is. Yeah, I'm wondering. What about, why is UAE there though, as an example? I don't know. Someone said performance of substitutes. Performance of substitute market share. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Performance of substitute market share. That's a good one. So Niaz, why you don't include it? I'm gonna include it. Performance of substitute market share. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. All right, this is good.